So, check it out. We're gonna check the pot. Right? It's been like about 5-6 minutes, not too much. But I also like to put in my seasonings from early, right? So I like this one. Sazon. This makes everything taste so good. You know what I'm saying? So a little bit of that. A little garlic powder, nothing much because I already have the fresh garlic in there. We have the seasoning salt, all purpose. Yeah. Alright. And this red one, you know I don't cook without zest. Alright. Put a little bit of this. Nothing much, right? Just a little something in there. And then a little bit of this. So we'll go as we go, we'll taste, you know, add to taste, right? So right now, we will just put a little bit of half of this. And then we're going to give it a nice stir. Oh my gosh. You smell this right here. Oh my God, oh my gosh. Alright. So we're going to cover that. And we're going to come and check things out in a little bit. And hey, don't forget, you always have to have your pepper. This is the cherry on the top. Right here, so. Boom. Sing a little bit. You go just chill out right here, yeah? Peace.